तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रियावै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमः। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam and lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak, Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So I will not take too much of time, already 1:30. So I just speak few words. You are hungry, maybe? No? So angry. Hungry and angry. If you are hungry, if you not take prasad, then you become angry. So I will not take too much of time, just I speak few words. The purification of my tongue. Then again, 6:30 or 6 o'clock, Kirtan, Hari Katha, Arti, Mahaprasad, everything. Is true. I am very happy, all you spoke very nicely and expressed your heart. So for this regard, I gave you two chance to speak. And you have to open your heart. Harikatha means this also. How to open your heart. No duplicity and no hypocrisy. Just simple way. Simplicity is called the Vaishnavism. Sarlata Vaishnavata. What do you say? Huh? Sarlata hi Vaishnavata. Saral means simple. No duplicity, no hypocrisy. This is important. Vaishnava means this way. And Kurmi, Gyani, Yogis, they are not simplicity. Hypocrisy is there. What is that? Kurmi, Gyani, Yogis, they don't want to express their own heart. They don't want to open their own heart. Understand? This word also Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Prabhupada explained. Why? Because jivas, the spontaneous nature serve to Krishna. Jiver Sarup hoy Krishna Nityadas. All the living entities, they are the eternally servant of Krishna, Krishna Das. Kurmi, Gyani, Yogis, they are thinking, we are not the servant of Krishna. For the Kurmi, they want to go Karma Marg. Karma Marg, understand? How to perform Karma. But what will get this there? Nothing. If you do hard work, what fruits will get? What will get? Nothing. Just give an example. One person, he was crushing the stone. Big mountain and crushing. And hard work. But what did he get finally? What did he get? Maybe one small mouse. That means by the performing of karma, you will get small thing also. What is that? Karma giving to you. If you good karma, then you will go heaven, Sargaloka. Heaven. But how long you will stay in the heaven, Sargaloka? Until your Punna karma finish, then you have to come down. Tetang bhukta sarga lokam visalam chine punne morto lokam vishanti. Bhagavad Gita. If you perform good karma, subha karma, charity, donation, helping the people, many things are good. The result will come, how to attain to Sargaloka, heaven. But after few years, again you come down in this material world. So karma marga is useless. Actually, that is not the jiva sarupanandi vritti. What is it? Jiva sarupa anubandhi vritti. Not the spontaneous nature of the jivas. Jiva sarup hoy Krishna nitya das. Das means servant. All the living entity, they are eternally servant of Krishna, Krishna seva. So that means our duty is serve to Krishna, Krishna seva. If you are not serving to Krishna, that means you are commit suicide yourself. Atmaha. You get nothing. Gyanis acquire the knowledge. They want to how to march in Brahma. Brahma Gyan. What will the result in it? That is also called one kind of commit of suicide. Because you are not following the rules of the Shastra. These things. What are the rules of the Shastra? Jivir Sarup hoy Krishna Nitya, Krishna Seva. You are not this body. You are soul, Atma. And duties of the soul to serve to Krishna, Krishna Seva. Otherwise, acquire the knowledge, what will get? Nothing. Understand? So Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Kurmis, they are as like camel. Eh? Camel understand? Camel, what they are doing? Chewing the thorns. Eh? And that thorns touch in their what is it called? Gums, and blood coming, and yes, also taking very nice. Oh, very nice. Actually, they are sucking their own blood. Kormi, this is actually. Our Gyanis, they are as like crow. Understand? Chaitanya Charitamrita explain this. Gyani Gyan Nimba Phale. Gyanis just acquire day and night, acquire the knowledge. What they will get? Ka. This is the thing. And she goes, this is not. Neti. Gyanis, this is that. Acquire vast of knowledge, these things. Then saying, oh, this is nothing. As like cabbage. Cabbage, understand? If you cook the cabbage, in cabbage, what will get there? Inside any fruits or seed or not? Only leaves. So in the same way, Gyanis, they open one leaf, then another leaf, they didn't work useless. So in this way, Gyanis, they also doing this way. Gyana Nimba Phale. And as like crow, they like to eat neem fruits. You know neem fruits? Neem fruits are very bitter. So Gyana Nimba Phale, acquire the knowledge. Our devotees, they are as like cuckoo birds. Bhakta Kokil. What do you say? Kokil, understand? Kokil means cuckoo birds. Cuckoo birds, where they are staying. They like each other. Mango trees. Kramamura Mukule. Bhakta Kokil. That sweet fragrance coming from the mango birds. And they are taking this. And sweet fragrance coming. Have you been in the mango forest or not? Amra Kanan? No? Have you been to Navadvip Parikrama? Who went to Navadvip Parikrama? With us. Siyatidi, when you are taking prasad. Understand? After, what is it called? Bhakti Vinod Thakur place. What is it? Sananda Sukhadakun. Then we are enter in one place and we are sitting thousand devotees. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Or we are sitting in the place. Very nice, beautiful place or not? Yes. Where the trees are there? Only mango trees are there. And that time also, all the birds of mango. Amra Mukul come. And sweet fragrance come. Honey bees, they are humming. Cuckoo birds, they are cooing. Very nice. Look at this. No crows, no camel, only cuckoo birds. That means a devotee. Bhakta Kake. What is it? Bhakta Kake. And all the thousand devotees, they are chanting holy names, dancing, singing. And all the chanting, Jai Sachinandana Gaur Hari Ki. Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori. Jai Sachinandana Jai Gaura Hori. विष्णु प्रियर प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि विष्णु प्रियर प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी नदिया बिहारी जय नदिया बिहारी नदिया बिहारी जय ओ जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि विष्णु प्रियर प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी विष्णु प्रियर प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी बोलो जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी ओ जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि जय सच्चिनंदन जय गौरा हरि नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी नित्यानंद प्राण धन नदिया बिहारी बोलो गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 बोलो निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरंग निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरंग निताई गौरंग जय निताई गौरंग निताई गौरंग जय हेलो निताई 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 रक्षमां निताई 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 रक्षमां निताई 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 पाहि मां निताई 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 पाहि हेलो गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 हे गौरा 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 हे हेलो सज्जन गौरा you understand? So that means Bhakta Kakil and devotees is as like Kukkubar. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Charitamritam Adi Lila 4th chapter explain this also. And Bhakta Kakil Khai Primamra Mukuli. Gyanis they as like crow. Crow they like to sit on the neem tree. So what do you want? You want to become Kukkubar. This do or no? And they glorify our Gaur Sundar. If you go Vrindavan Dham, or if you go Navadvip Dham, difference. If you go Vrindavan Dham, they are peacock pihin, keika, keika, keika. Or if you go Navadvip Dham, then Kukkubar. They glorify about Sachinandan Gaur Hari, Gaur Sundar Katha. So now coming in this way, why I am saying these things? Because Jiva's spontaneous nature is served to Krishna. Krishna Seva. So for this regard, Shastra is saying, Kormi, Gyanis, Yogis, they also cheated. And they also committed
suicide.
Commit suicide also. And if you not perform bhajan sadhana to Krishna, that is your life is useless. Useless or not, what will come? Nothing. Wealth, money, wife, children, everything is coming, this is true. According our previous karma, produce of karma, karma fall coming this way. And for Krishna Bhakti, this is very, very rare. So for the Krishna Bhakti, Janma Mool, Hoi Sadhu Sangha. Krishna Prem Janma, Ei Mukha Anga. Krishna Bhakti, this is our aim and object. Sadhu Sangha Hari Katha. So, all you spoke very nicely. Nice Hari Katha, speaking and open your heart. How to enter in Suddha Bhakti, step by step. Couple days I also discussed about Siddha Pranali. What Pranali? Siddha Pranali. What is the meaning of Siddha Pranali? What is the perfect process to attain our perfection goal? Siddha Pranali. Babaji Adarsh Sampradaya, they are saying Siddha Pranali means just to come and I am giving your and Sarup Parichay. And identify your Sarup. You are this Manjari, this, but in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, very clearly explained. Siddha Pranali, two processes. One is called Rupa Goswami Pad, explained Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. What is that? Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. And the Siddha Pranali. Perfect. And step by step. You have to know about this Siddha Pranali. What is the meaning of Shraddha? One day I told Lokik Shraddha and Paramarthiki Shraddha and worldly faith. Or another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha, spiritual faith. This spiritual faith also, one is called Vaidhi Shraddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. This is very important also. When you do Parpana Bhajan in sadhana, first which Shraddha is coming? Vaidhi Shraddha is coming. But with the association of sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then slowly your Vaidhi Shraddha will going down and Raganu Shraddha will coming up. Vishwanath Chakravarti by given an example. There when the small, what is called, leaves coming out, then that is your job. No, unfold.
Wrapped into fold.
There is fold, no? That is the beauty. And both sides also look wrapped. But when that the lips completely what? Opened, then that wrapped side going to down and inner side coming up. Soft. That means wrapped side is like Vaidhi Bhakti, or smooth side, inner side as like Raganuga Bhakti. Simple. That means in sadhak first practice Vaidhi Bhakti. Vidhi Marga Ratajane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Marge Karano Pravesh. The simple process is. So Vaidhi Shraddha, faith will come. With the son sadhu listen Hari Katha, then slowly your greed will come. If you not listen Hari Katha, how possible greed will come? Raganuga Bhakti's one name is called Lobhamai Bhakti. What is it? Lobhamai. Lobha means greed. Greed will come. Answer. Vaidhi Bhakti is also many names. Vaidhi Bhakti is what name of Vaidhi Bhakti? Bhatpadika Bhakti. Bhatpadika. And someone who is practicing devotional service to Lord with fear. What is the fear? Fear of death, fear fear of going to hell. For this they also practice bhakti. Understand? Yesterday we did, what is called? Observe Ekadasi. Why?
Not to go to hell.
Because Shastra is saying not to, if you not follow Ekadasi, rules and regulations of Ekadasi, then you will go hell. Who wants to go hell? Raise one hand. Who will go? No one to go. Who has no idea about hell, that thing I will go. You understand? So much suffering in there.
Shastra, Sasana,
So Vaidhi Bhakti, one name is called Bhayatpadika Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti, one name is called Bhay Utpadika Bhakti, for the fear of Shastra. They perform bhajan and sadhana, practicing Ekadasi Tithi, observe Ekadasi Tithi. Oh, Shastra saying, if you not follow the Ekadasi, in the day of Ekadasi, if you eat grains, then you will go hell. So I will not eat grains in the day of Ekadasi. Yes? So these types of bhakti is called Bhayatpadika Bhakti. Shastra Anusasanamai Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti is another name is called Shastra Sasan Anusasanamai Bhakti. Shastra Anusasan. And all the rules and regulations is there. You have to do this, you have to not do this. And understand? This Nishadagga. You have to do this, you have to not do this. Rules and regulations. That's called Shastra Anusasanamai Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti means name. Vaidhi Bhakti, another name is called Aishwarjamula Bhakti. What is it? Aishwarja. And he is Lord. I am his insignificant servant. This is these types of words. Raganuga Bhakti is also many names. What did he say? Lobhamai Bhakti. Love, greed will come. Greed. And when you listen Katha, then greed will come. Oh, I want this. I want to serve to Krishna under guidance of Mother Yashoda. Then Vatsala Bhava, Vatsala Seva will come. I want to serve to Krishna under guidance of Suval Siddham. Sakka Bhava will come. I want to serve to Krishna and under guidance of gopis. That is called conjugal mood will come. Madhurya Bhava will come. This is the process also. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Yadi Kutopi Labbhate Tatrapi Lullam Mullam Janma Kati Sukritana Labbhate. Only your Sukriti not attain this Braj Prem. How will attain Braj Prem? If you see one's heart full of Brajaras. Very full of Brajaras means as like Rasgulla. Rasgulla and the mellows, Rasa is there. Understand? If you took the Rasgulla up, then Rasa is what? Dropping. Yeah. Oh. So in the same way, if you see one's heart full of Brajaras, then what will do? You listen Brajarasa Katha from him. How sweet Braj. So Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatan Yadi Kutopi Labbhate. And how will buy? Lola Mullam Janma Kati Sukudar. Low. Just great. I want to listen Braj Katha. I want to listen which Katha? Braja Katha. Raghunath Das Goswami, In Manasiksha also, every sloka is Manasiksha. Last thing, I don't want to listen other katha. Braje Radha Krishna Prachura Puricharja Mehatam. I have not listened other katha. Even I have not listened Vaikuntha katha also. Abhi taktva Lakshmipati Bamnani. No need to listen Vaikuntha katha. What katha do you want to listen? Braja katha, Vrindavan katha. And my heart should be Vrindavan. Mama Hridayam Vrindavan. My heart should be Vrindavan. Braj katha. So now coming in this way, how will enter in Braj, Vrindavan? So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, in his Nectar of Instruction, Upadeshamritam, start from where? Vacho Vegam. Vacho Vegam Manosa Krodha Vegam Jiha Vegam Udarupastha Vegam Hitan Vegan Ju Vishati Dhira Sarvam Pimang Prithiving Sasisat Attahara Prasasya Prajalpanimagra Janasangascha Lolancha Sarabhi Bhakti Vinasati Utsad Nishyad Dhairyat Tat Karma Pravartanat Sangatyaga Sato Vitte Sarabhi Bhakti Prasiddhati. And step by step. Then we Tishtan Tannamo Rupacharidadi Sukirtananu Smrito Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijajjo Tishtan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalang Naet Akilam Itta Upadesasa. Next one. Rupa Goswami Pad himself told, I gave many instructions, but all the essence of instruction, this sloka. Only chant Lord's sweet names. Madhur Naam. Jai Jai Sam Sundar Madan Mohan Vrindavan Chandra. Jai Jai Sam Sundar Madan Mohan Vrindavan Chandra. Jai Jai Radha Raman Ras Bihari Sri Gokulanand. Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jayo Radhe Govinda. Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jayo. Jai Jai Raseshwari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra. Jai Jai Raseshwari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra. Jai Jai Lalita Vishakha Yadi Jata Sati Vrinda. Jai Jai Lalita Vishakha Yadi Jata Sati Vrinda. Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananga. Jai Jai Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananga. Jai Purnamati Yogamaya Jata Virabhina. Jai Purnamati Yogamaya Jata Virabhina. Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Jai Jai Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda. Though Krishna's many names, this is Nana Vidha Nama Krishna. Though there are many names of Krishna, but Brihad Bhagavatam Sanatana Goswami Pad explain, always chant Krishna's Madhur Naam. Which name? Sweet name. Very nice. This powerful name. And that Madhur Naam related with Krishna's Madhur Leela. There is a Govinda. Go Vindayati Govinda. Go meaning Indriya, senses. Vindayati, give pleasure. That means Krishna, he gives pleasure to all the living entities. Go means Gopi. Krishna, he gives pleasure to Gopis. And performing Ras dance. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache Gopi gan. Man mera ban gaye sakhi pavan Vrindavan. राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपिका मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपिका मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन ललिता नाचे विशाखा नाचे नाचे सखी मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपिका मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन गंगा नाचे जमुना नाचे नाचे नदी गान गंगा नाचे जमुना नाचे नाचे नदी गान मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपिका मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे नाचे गोपिका मन मेरा बन गए रे सखी पावन वृंदावन गोविंदति गोविंदति गोविंद go means cows, go means gopis, go means brajvasi, go means veda, many meaning. Go means brahmana, bindati anandati, who gives pleasure. Go, guy, mane cows, brahmanas, vedas, puranas, gopis, he gives pleasure to everybody. For this his name is called Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Krishna He Jadava He Saketi Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti He Krishna He Jadava He Saketi Govinda Damo Brajavasi means they 24 hours they absorbed with Krishna Nam. Jaduhone abanane matana pralepa prencha chanadvarudito chanamarjanado gayanti chainanurakta dhiyavosru kanto dhanna brajastriyo Urukramo chitta jano. And they are residents of Brajavasi. When they are milking the cows, what they are singing? Gurudev saying, Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo. Yes, ja dohane, means when they are milking the cows. Do you know how to milk the cows? You know, you have no cow. Brajavasi, they milking the cows. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. When they are churning the yogurt, create the butter, churning. Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti Govinda Damo Dharmadaveti. Jadohane Abohanan. When they grinding the grains, as like wheat or barley, they are the grinding. Separate the husks from the seed. There's them. With the hamam, necklace one.
Yeah.
Pistol.
Pistol.
They are this. Gunning motor. They are just Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo Dharmadavete. Even that babies they crying. What do you say? Matro. Oh baby, don't cry. Patting the back of the baby. What do you say? Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Kachid Guppa Musuli Pramugdha. And one gopi, she was grinding grain and also singing this. Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo Dharmadavete Govinda Damo नवेली पति को जगावे प्राणे सो जागो अवनीद त्यागो बेला ही है हरि गीत गावो गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते. You understand now? पढ़ दे फला. कोई नवेली पति को जगावे प्राणेश जागो अपनीद त्यागो बेला ही है हरिगीत गावो गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते. Naveli means newly bride. Understand? Last night, just their marriage ceremony finished. Late night they sleep, but bride and she wake up early in the morning. But bridegroom, little bit also lazy. Understand? And sleeping. So she is saying, कोई नवेली पति को जगावे. My husband, wake up, wake up. How long will you sleep? अरे देखो बेला ही है हरिगी तो गावो. Almost sunrise. उठो. Understand? कुंभकर्ण है कुंभकर्ण. And they say, oh, अरे वड़ो. So he has in this verse, कोई नवेली पति को जगावे. मैं क्यों कहा? जागो उठो. बेला ही है हरि तो गावो. So why you are sleeping? Both will come in the temple room. Mangalarti. Today Mangalarti good not? Many devotees came. This hall completely are packed, full. All you came? I hope so. You came or not?
Yes.
Is you Pujari? Who is not Pujari coming late? So she is saying, कोई नवेली पति को जगावे प्राणेश जागो अवनीद त्यागो. बेला ही है हरिगीत गावो. हरि गाई गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते गोविंद दामो धर्माधवेते गोविंद दामोदरेति। ब्रजवासी में जादोहने अबहनने मतरु प्रलेप प्रेंक्षय छनार्दो रुदितो छनमार्जनादो गायन्ति चैनो अनुरक्त धियोश्रुकंठ। And when they chant holy names, Lord's sweet names, their heart completely melt. Adarbhut ho jati. Completely heart melt. How do you know heart melt? Tears falling down. Tears falling. They are saying these words. Jadhone avhone mathanu pranksya chanavruddhito chanamarjunadu gayanti chaino anurakta dhiyasuru kanta. Gayanti chaino anurakta dhiya asuru kanta. Their tears rolling down from their eyes. And their throat completely are choked. Gada gada vani mukhe bahirive. So saying this. Their throat choked. Sometimes they cannot chant Govinda Govind. So saying this. Dhiyo Srikanto Dhanna Brajastriyo Urukrama Chitta Jano. How they are great fortune. They always keep Krishna in their heart. Krishna is called Urukram. Urukramayati iti Urukrama. Krishna's one name is called Urukram Bhagavan. He manifested his three legs. Understand? In the assembly house of Bali Maharaj. A very dopt boy. Baman. And he asked Bali Maharaj, give me Tripad Bhumi. How many?
3 steps.
Tripad means 3 steps. Land. But this is enough. And that land would be a measurement with my own feet. Look at it. And when Bali Maharaj did Achman and Sankalpa and giving, then he manifested one leg, he also completely measurement the whole world, Prithvi Lok. And another leg, he also covered whole Sargaloka. Then Bali Maharaj asked, you are human being, you have only 2 legs. Where are the 3 legs? He saw your 3 legs. Then Vamandev Bhagavan, he manifested another 2 legs. Hello, where will you keep this? Then Bali Maharaj looking, my God. Then Bali Maharaj told, I gave everything to you. Sarga Martha I gave to you. Why did you not give? Myself. Oh my Lord, you can keep your lotus feet on my head. Vrindavan Vihari. Urukramayati. It is Urukrama. Like this. Doing this Leela also this way. So saying in this way, verse. Jadhone abahane matam pralepa prinche chanadvo rudito chanamarjanado gayanti chaino nurakta dhiyasru kanto dhanna brajastriyo urukrama chitta jana. Their life here, everything is with Krishna. They don't know anything except Krishna. All is there. Govinda damo dharmadaveti Govinda damo dharmadaveti Govinda damo dharmadaveti Govinda damo dharmadaveti. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Rai. So I am saying this, if you see one's heart full of Brajaras, Braja pain, just to pay your greed, love. What the greed? I will listen Braja Katha. What Katha? Braja Katha. not others Katha. Brajavas and Brajakatha. I will stay in Braj and listen Braj Katha. Good. Very sweet also. I will stay in Braj, Vrindavan. Radha Adi Patta Vrindavanam Basam Mamastu Me. Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained. That place completely dominated by Srimati Radhika. Radha Adipatta Vrindavanam. Vrindavan, there are many places also. Sakhistali. Sakhistali, understand? At the place of Chandravali. Who will go Sakhistali? No one. But he is saying, no, I will stay only that place completely dominated by Srimati Radha Adipatta Vrindavanam Basam Mamastu Me. Vrindavan Bas. This is the place also. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, if you not stay in Vrindavan physically, what will do? But always stay in Vrindavan with your mind. How will stay in Vrindavan in your mind? Listen Vrindavan Katha, Braj Katha. If you listen Braj Katha means always you are staying in Vrindavan Braj. Observe it. So Raghunath Asad Bhatta Besa Mati Sarvasya Harini Katha Mukti Bagra Sarvatma Girini Api Taktva Lakshmati Bam Nayani Braje Radha Krishna Prachura Paricharjam Hantanu. Always listen to mind, always listen to it. Braj Katha. Braj Karivas Enikhil Kal Karaho Japan. Brajvasi means this way. Brajvasi means not that those who are staying in Braj. That is not the meaning of Brajvasi. Brajvasi means those who are completely absorbed in the mood of Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham, Radha, Gopi. They are called real Brajvasi. Understand? As like our Rupa Sanatan. Rupa Sanatan, they were staying in Braj, Vrindavan. What they are doing? Sankha Purvaka Nama Gananati Kalavasana Krito Nidrahara Vihara Gadi Vijitun Chattandino Chayu Radha Krishna Gunasmiti Madhurima Anandina Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatanam Raghujugo Sijiva Gopalako. This is the Brajava. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nati Bhi Kala Vasana Krito Nidra Ahara Vihara Vijudo Chatno Dino Chayu Radha Krishna Gunasmriti Madhurima Anandana Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Sijiva Gopal. He Radhe Buddhijalite He Nanda Suno Kuta Sri Govardhana Kalpa Padvatale Kalindi Vanne Kuta Ghosanta Biti Brajapuri Khedari Mahavihallo Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. Third Goswami Ashtaka. Srinivasa Acharya, he composed this. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nati Bhi Kala Avasana Krito. Every day chanted, fixed round holy, Sankha Purvaka Nama. Sankha Purvaka Nama. Which name? Krishna's Madhur Nama. This name. As Sanatana Goswami Pad also Vedavagautam say. Which name? Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Khasi Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Vallabhi Jivana Radhika Shri Krishna Gopal Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Khasi हे वल्लभी जीवन राधिके हे श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे गोविंद गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण आदि यशोदा तनय प्रसीद हे वल्लभी जीवन राधिके श्री कृष्ण गोपाल हरे गोविंद हे नंद किशोर कृष्ण आदि यशोदा तनय प्रसीद हे वल्लभी जीवन राधिके श्री वल्लभी जीवन that means Srimati Radhika. Krishna is called life year of Srimati Radhika. Vallabhi Jivanam. Srimati Radhika, day and night, feeling separation from Krishna. Crying and crying and crying. Vipralamba bhav. What bhav? Vipralamba means separation mode. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this mode, Vipralamba bhav. Separation mode. Navina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute. If you are not feeling separation from Krishna, then you cannot attain the highest frame also. Vipralamba bhav need. Vipralamba is separation. So gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is teaching to us also. First we feel separation from Krishna. Vipralamba bhav. Viraha. And this viraha, vipralamba, separation, nourishment to milan, meeting. So saying, Navina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masnute jatha ranjite kasait vastra. As like saffron cloth. If you put on the saffron dye more and more, that will have more delightfulness will come. Understand this? In the same way, separation, nourishment, madhurjam, what is called? Meeting. So Mahaprabhu. So Sanatana is saying this one. Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabhi Jivana Radhikesa Shri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallabhi Jivana Radhikesa Vallabhi Jivan and Radhikesa. Krishna is called the heart and soul of Srimati Radhika. So this is the mode. For this is our Goswamis. They perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan and day and night, feeling separation. Hey Radhe, hey Brajadevike, hey Lalite Visake, where are you? Hey Radhe Brajalalite, hey Nanda Suno Kutaha. Hey Krishna, you are the son of Nanda Maharaj. Kalindi, sometimes they used to go on the bank of Jamuna. They crying. He Radhe Brajalalite, he Nanda Suno Kutaha, he Govardhana Kalpa Pad Vatale. Sometimes they ask all the trees of Vrindavan. They ask. Because all the trees of Vrindavan, they are called the witness of Radha Krishna's sweet pastimes. For this regard, they asked all the trees. Ek ratri, ek एक एक रात्रि just I forget the Bengali words. One night they also taking rest under the one trees of Vrindavan. Different trees. One tree, under the one tree. Next night, going under the tree. Not climb on the tree. Under the tree. Monkeys. Or Goswami there. Under the tree. They're taking rest under the tree. Why? Because all the trees, they are called witness of Radha Krishna's Leela. If you go Vrindavan, you can see same trees are there. Especially if you go Mansarovar. Where? Mansarovar. You got that trees also there. Same trees are there. 5,000 years before. That trees also there. They are laying down. Have you seen? That is completely laying down. And crying. When Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to go that place, and he used to lay down and do pranam and doing stops to people. Because all the trees, they are called the witness of Radha Krishna's Leela. Trees are there, but Leela is not there. But that trees, the witness. If you do pranam to them, ask to them, they will be give mercy. Understand? So for our Goswamis, they used to go Vrindavan, different tree, taking rest under the tree. One night, एक विकेट तले एक रात्रि जापन. Why? They used to go and taking rest under one tree to another, next night another tree. Why? And some person told, maybe attachment will come. Because if you stay one place, they will think, this is my place. Saying or not? This is my temple. Understand? This is true. This is my room. So for this regard, they left one place to another place. Then Gurudev become very angry. Hey! Stupid nonsense katha. Rup Sanatan, they gave up everything. So how possible their attachment will come in their place? Actually, they took rest under the tree and one night. Why? Because they realized all the trees of Vrindavan, they are the witness of Radha Krishna Leela. 500 years before, Radha and Krishna, they performed sweet Leela under that tree. Trees are there. But Leela is not manifest. So that the trees, they can say, well, yes, here Radha Krishna doing many Leela is there. They will say, here Radha Krishna do this Leela. They will speak. Here Radha Krishna this Leela. What Leela? Just I tell you, if you go Kasrat, understand? Once, and Krishna very proud. Krishna told, I am very powerful. I can defeat you. I come wrestling. I am big wrestler. You wrestler, understand? That all the gopis he told. Okay, so you can defeat and our Sakhi Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna, why not? Very easy. I can defeat. I killed many demons also. I killed one demon. What is his name? And who's chest his hand. He got he got one benediction from Lord Shiva. Understand? In his hand, and in his got one benediction. This, if his hand or to touch anybody's head, he will be Bhasmasur. But he is another demon. But why not? I am looking your chest.
Heavy breathing.
I am looking your chest also shaking, no? But you are feeling fear. And Krishna says, look, I am very good. I am thinking, I am doing this. You can do this. Then was that the demon he forgot. He forgot that the benediction from Lord Shiva, his palm. Then yes, I can. I also do this. Do this. Then he also touched his chest with his hand. Then he transferred in as his Malavinda. Simple. So in the Krishna told, I killed many demons also. This. I am very powerful. Okay. So all the Sakhi told, okay. So you can wrestling with our Sakhi Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika and Krishna dressed very nice, beautiful dress of wrestler. Wrestler dress. And boxing. This way. We are going, look at this, some of the boxing. Morning you saw. They are teach. They are giving the lesson. Boxing. Okay. Then Radha and Krishna, they are very nice, beautiful. This first time is gone, the wrestling is going on this. Then Srimati Radhika, she is very clever. Very quickly, with her legs wrapped to Krishna's leg. And what is it called? Brought him down. Then Krishna automatically lay down on the ground. And Srimati Radhika on her chest. Then all the Sakhis make claps. Oh, our Sakhi Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna told, wait. No, I won. My job. Well, how? Look, whose nose is down or whose nose is up? My nose is up. Or Srimati Radhika nose down. This Leela is going on. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari. I say, if you go that place, what is it called? Kasrat. Kasrat means wrestling. Where Radha and Krishna, they are wrestling in this. So that tree is also there now. If you go Kasrat, that place also is there. Same trees, same land, same dust is there. So they are the witness. The trees are witness. So our Goswamis, for this regard, they used to go one night spent under the one tree. Because that trees were giving the blessing. And the trees are saying, over here Krishna and Srimati Radhika, they perform sweet Leela. Understand this? For this regard, our Goswami, they used to go Vrindavan and different places. So Hiradeva Lalite, He Nanda Suno Kutha, Sri Govardhana Kalpa Padvatali, Kalindi Vanne Kutha, Vasanta Viti Sarvatu Bujapre, Khedri Maha Vihallo, Bande Rupa Sanatano, Rogujugo, Sri Govardhan. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, same Giriraj Govardhan or not? About 5,000 years before, Radha and Krishna, they performed sweet Leela on the cave of Giriraj Govardhan. Same Giriraj Govardhan is there. But you cannot see the Leela is there. Giriraj Govardhan is there. The cave of Giriraj Govardhan, Gufa is there. Cave is there or no? Where Radha Krishna, they perform sweet Leela also there. So what the Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad composed this verse also. Govardhana me disatam avishtam, Govardhana me दिशतामभीष्टम गोवर्धन में दिशतामभीष्टम गोवर्धन में दृशतामभीष्टम जत्रैव गंगा अनुनाभिराधा आरुज मध्ये तो निमग्न नौका है nice there na Manasi Ganga is there. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, you will see Manasi Ganga is there. Radha and Krishna they perform sweet boat sporting pastimes. Nauka vihar hai. Jatraiva Ganga Anunabhiradha Aruja Madhe Nivagna Nauka Krishna hi Krishna hi Radha Anugalo Babhusa Govardhana me disatam avistam Govardhana me disatam avistam Govardhana me disatam avistam. It's sweet reality. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, Manasi Ganga is there. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, see many caves. Here Radha and Krishna they perform sweet Leela. And also Krishna performs also Sakha Leela, Vatsalya Leela, Madhurya Leela. All Leela is there. Especially 3 kinds of Leela on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. Sakha Leela also there. Hantayodri abala Haridasa Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Parasa Pramoda Manang Tanoti Sahagopaganai Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamoloi. Srimati Radhika, they recited this verse. Yes, Sakhis, we have to shelter Giriraj Govardhan. Because Giriraj Govardhan, he serves our beloved Krishna. Different ways. Giriraj Govardhan, he said, for the Radha and Krishna, for the gopis, and sakhas, cows, how they taking rest in there. Giriraj Govardhan manifested waterfalls. Understand? In the summertime, the water a little bit cold. Or winter time, the water a little bit warm. The Giriraj Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan, he manifested many types of flowers, fruits, and also one types of what is called Sila. Sila, understand? Stone. Just you put water and rub your hand and sweet fragrance comes. 7 days you can remove that then. Your hand will be very nice, beautiful and maroon color. Maroon color, sir? Reddish color and sweet fragrance. Still also there, Giriraj Govardhan to go. Have you seen or not? Just put water and rub your hand. Your hand completely white. Reddish color and sweet fragrance. Giriraj Govardhan se manifest. So he Hantavadri Abala Haridasu Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramodo Manang Tanati Sahagopa Gani Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamuli. Giriraj Govardhan, he manifests many kinds of the roots and Kandamul. You know, Kandamul means many kinds of roots. Understand? What roots you got? Are you studying it? They are making the what are they? Ekadashi, what they do? Kasava. You ate or not? Yes. They are make the fry. Kandamula. Coming in this side. You ate or you forgot? How you are? Yesterday you ate or not? What you did? or Gauranga potato? Another pagal. All I saw that Gauranga, the red, what is it called? Red potato? Are you study cooked or not? Huh? Yogamaya Didi? Huh?
Sweet potato.
Are sweet potato means is what? Pagal. That is coming. That is called Gauranga potato. Huh? Sweet potato, yes. That is also. That is coming from Giriraj Govardhan, and lap of Giriraj Govardhan also. Huh? Sweet potato, they know sweet potato. They don't know Gauranga potato, they don't. They ate everything and
Forgot.
Pagal. And they come from Giriraj Govardhan. Understand? Very simple. Huh? Where is coming is, you don't know. Giriraj Govardhan, the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. If you know Giriraj Govardhan, this type of sweet potato. You are saying, eh? Understand? Or we are saying Gauranga potato. Huh? Understand? Gauranga potato is a little bit reddish color. For this regard, Vaishnava are saying this is called Gauranga potato. Or you are saying sweet potato. Okay, no problem. That is coming from Giriraj Govardhan. Huh? That is called Kandamul. And another kinds of also roots coming. Like what is called Kasava or something. Coming this. Giriraj Govardhan. And Krishna with his friends, they are also eating. Huh? Understand? These are things. This is the that is no need to cook also. Gauranga potato means they are sweet potato, no need to cook. Two kinds of, one is a white color, or another is called also saffron color and color, red color. Not the gajar. Gajar English?
Carrots.
Carrots, not carrots. The potato. And both you can eat also. And one is white, they are cut. Can eat. You are eating everything, but you forget, don't know what it is. You are not Brajavashi. Try to become Brajavashi. Eating or not? You eating every day Gauranga potato, you don't know what it is. Okay, unknowingly you are Brajavashi actually. Unknowingly you are Brajavashi. But you forget yourself. Understand? This is Kali Yuga Brajavashi, man. Dapar Yuga Brajavashi and Kali Yuga. Which Brajavashi? Kali Yuga Brajavashi. Ate everything or forget?
One more. An hour.
Okay, don't take my offense as a joke. All are Brajavashi, no problem. Good. So saying it. Hantai Adri Avala Haridaso Varjo Jat Ram Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramodo Manang Tanatu Sahagopa Gani Paniyo Sujavasha Kandar Kandamulai. Giriraj Govardhan. He creates very nice, beautiful Kandara. Kandara means cave. Even you will go there, just you chant Hare Krishna, or the echo automatically come.
Hare Krishna.
Understand? Where yesterday where you going? Morning walk, and then under the bridge saying Hare Krishna. The echo coming or not? So in the same way, if you are go Giriraj Govardhan, and with the Sakhaj Krishna, they're dancing, singing, this lila also there. The echo is coming also this. Giriraj Govardhan. Very beautiful this. In the cave of Giriraj Govardhan, Krishna performed sweet amorous pastime with the gopis also. Many kinds of lila. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, one kind of stone that is called Bhajan Sila. What is it called? Bhajan Sila, understand? Bhajan Sila, one kind of stone, just you touch one side and another side also sound coming. Now you are playing guitar or guitar, sitar, but there is no need that time. Just they also touch stone and also just touch one finger this side and touch the sound coming. Still also if you go Giriraj Govardhan and this Sila, this stone is there also. That stone name is called Bhajan Sila. Have you seen or no?
No. Yes.
You are going alone, how to see? Sadhu Sangha, you will go Sadhu Sangha that place. You can see Bhajan Sila. Next time when you will go Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama, you have to go that place. And Bhajan Sila is there. Remember, what do you say? Bhajan Sila is there. And Brajamandala Parikrama, book also there. And that I think that picture is also there. Bhajan Sila is there. Krishna played and that the stone. And a very nice, beautiful sound coming with this Sakar. Sometimes Srimati Radhika, she also played. Mukut Sila there also. And if you go Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama, you can see one place. Srimati Radhika's crown is there. That is called Mukut Sila. Very nice. If you go Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama with the devotee, you can see, they will explain, oh, this place, this place, this place. Very nice, beautiful. Giriraj Govardhan. And Giriraj Govardhan is the witness. Why I am saying Giriraj Govardhan is called the witness, Sakshi. And all the Radha Krishna's sweet lila is there. What this guy Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad composed this verse. Govardhana me disatam abhishtam. All lila is there. Nauka Vilas lila, Manasi Ganga. How Krishna performs sweet boat sporting lila is there also. Look this thing. Nauka Vihar lila. Giriraj Govardhan. Is this. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Now 3 o'clock, oh my God.
Maharaj ki Jai.
Now we'll take prasadam, arati. Quick arati. Then take Mahaprasad. Then after Mahaprasad, then again 6 o'clock, start to Kirtan. And today is last night Kirtan also. Last night Hari. And she also, what is name? Toruni. Toruni, she will also dance, very nice dance. Choti si kisari mere angana mein dal dale. Choti si kisari mere angana mein dole. Choti si kisari mere angana mein हे पाओ में पाओ लिया बाके चम चमा चम बोले रे पाओ में पाओ लिया बाके चम चमा चम बोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में हे पाओ में पाओ लिया बाके चम चमा चम बोले रे पाओ में पाओ लिया बाके चम चमा चम बोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले हे मैंने बासी पूछी लाली कहा तेरो नाम रे मैंने बासी पूछी लाली कहा तेरो नाम रे आकाश के बतावे मोते राधा मेरो नाम रे आकाश के बतावे मोते हे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले रे छोटी सी किशोरी मेरे अंगना में डोले बोलो राधा रानी की ओके
कृष्णमाति नांदना ब्रजो मारनागरा गोकुल रांजन कारा Oh,
भक्ति प्रयाण की शिव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र श्री शिला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय विष्णु श्री शिला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय नित्य विष्णुपाद सच्चिदानंद भक्ति ठाकुर की जय श्री नारोत्तम श्रीनिवास श्यामानंद प्रभुराय की जय श्री कृष्णदास महाराज स्वामी प्रभु की जय श्री रूप सनातन भगवनाथ श्री गोपाल दास स्वामी प्रभु की जय श्री स्वरूप दामोदर राय नंदन श्री गोस्वामी की जय नामचार श्री विलास ठाकुर की जय प्रेम से को शिक्षण जय तन प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री सारी गौर भक्त वृंद की जय श्री अनंतानंद मायापुर समंत दी गोदरुनी भूत जी जानवी मोदरुनी श्रीमती वृंद देवी जय श्री पूर्णमासी जोगमान की जय श्री गोपीश महादेव की जय श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा श्री कृष्ण चक्र जीव सर्व विघ्नाश निष्कार निसिंह भगवान की जय अनंत कोटि विष्णु वृंद की जय श्याम भक्त की जय श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि वृंदाय तुलसी कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदेश सच्चिदानंद वंचा कल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिंधुश्च पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो जय बोल